Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and to this glam look. What's new on my channel? Another glam look, but yeah, I'm pleased with how it turned out and I hope you like it, so let's get started. I'm gonna prime my eyelids first, as I always do, and this is the soft ochre from MAC, a paint pot, and this will act as a base. I'm gonna take now my concealer, which is of course doppelt gemoppelt, the Germans say. I should have started with this as a primer, but oh well, it's in the morning. I haven't had enough coffee. Pat this really good into my skin here. This will act as a base as well, and everything you put on top of a very light base is going to pop even more. Powder on top of that concealer. Now for the black eyeshadow, this is the L'Oreal Age Perfect Cream Eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Grey Fever, and this will act as well as my base for the outer corners. Now I'm taking a ZOEVA brush. This is the 224, a small blending brush, and I'm blending the edges of what I did. Now I'm building that intensity. I want it very, very dark and intense here, right here. Now I'm going to be taking a black, matte black. I'm going to be putting this onto what I did and not go so far upwards. I'm going to be concentrating that color right into the outer corner where my mobile lid is. I'm just pressing the product into my skin and wiggle a bit the brush here. Now I'm ready for the next step, which is glitter, and this is from BH Cosmetics. It's in Pearl, and I'm gonna be putting this where the bare space is, so to say. For this we're gonna need another product, which is a glitter primer, and I'm gonna be putting this right there where the lighter shade is as a primer, as a base, and then on top I'm gonna be coming with the glitter. I'll clean now underneath my eyes because I have that black eyeshadow there and the glitter. I like this mascara because the wand has very stiff bristles and it gets into the roots of my lashes. If you want really long lashes, this is not for you. This is more if you want to put, you know, false lashes on top. Now for false lashes, I'll be using those ones from Ardell. Now taking again my trusty black track from MAC. It's the best gel liner for tight lining and for the waterline. I'm going to apply my moisturizer, which is the Hydreane Intense Legere, and then I'm going to be putting a primer on top of this, the L'Oreal Indiffectlible, and I'm going to be applying it with my fingers as well, as I usually do on myself. For foundation, I'm using the MAC Studio Water Weight Foundation, and this is in the shade NC30, which is my shade right now in summer. Now again, the concealer I've used for the eyelids. This is the Infallible More Than Concealer from L'Oreal in the shade Cashmere. Okay, now I'm going to be using a powder which is the original from RCMA, and this has no color. It's actually transparent. It looks white, but it's transparent. Any skin tone can use this, and I really do like it. The only thing I don't like is the packaging. You need to put it into some kind of container or into the palm of your hand because there's no other way to use it. I'm using for bronzer the Hoola from Benefit and a multi-task brush from Real Techniques. Then for contouring underneath my cheekbones, I'll be taking Sculpt, which is from MAC. It's a grayish brown. This is just for contouring. This is not for bronzing. The highlighter I wanted to use is one from ARTDECO, and I've misplaced it. It's my favorite, that's my favorite highlighter, and I cannot find it, and it's discontinued. I cannot buy another one. I'll have to find it. But now I'll be using the Dior one, quite a nice one as well. The other one I wanted to use is an eyeshadow. It just glows. It makes you look like you glow from within, and it's lighter than this one. It's not so rosy. I've had it with me on my holiday. I think not. Then for blusher, I'll be using the Essence Matte Touch Blush, and this is in the shade Bury Me Up. Oh, this is sweet. Bury Me Up. I'll be applying this with a blusher brush from Real Techniques. Because I'm finished with my base, I'll be using the same cream eyeshadow from L'Oreal. I'll be putting it here on the outer half of my eye along my lash line. With the same brush, I'll be dipping into this black from ARTDECO. And now to the rest of this bit here, I'll be putting my highlighter, and quite a lot of it. We will extra glow today, I'm telling you. This is no joke. This is not enough glow, so I'll be using the Crushed Foil Metallic Eyeshadow, and this is from L'Oreal in the shade Diamond Dust. It looks like this, and yeah, that goes on top of that highlighter. There's no helping it. In the waterline, I'll be putting now a flesh-colored eyeliner. This is from RIMMEL, Scandal Eyes Waterproof Kajal, and this is the color Nude. My eyes are so red right now. Now I'm using a L'Oreal mascara. This is waterproof. I love it. I've said it. You know it. I'm using again the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pro palette, and I'm taking taupe and brown, medium brown, and just a little bit of ash brown because I want to create like a natural shade for my brows. For the lips, I'm taking the one and only lip liner from Essence, which is in a lovely Frappuccino. This is the best one. This is my favorite and so affordable. So I'm outlining a bit my lips because we need it. And then I'll be putting a lipstick on top. And on top, a lipstick which is from Trish McAvoy, a lip and cheek color, and this is in Perfect Rose, another perfect product. And I'm putting this directly on top. As always, if you did like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe here to my channel, and also follow me on social media, Instagram, Facebook and VERO, because that's very important to me. And I also post there things, you know, from my private life. Maybe you would like to see that. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your support and everything, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!